guys, Amaka Glorious again. Just stay tuned to the end of the video and see the outcome of this okra soup. Just watch to the end. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you another delicacy, special one. Sweet, delicious, healthy okra soup. And I'm using the okra already. I've got it ready. I'm using spinach for today. You can feel free to use any leaf. I'm using the meat. Avoid it, the pomo and the beef. You can mix any meat you want. The crayfish, I'll blend it, and the stock water, that is the meat water. Then I'm using stockfish. Just feel free to add maybe stockfish or only dry fish. I'm putting a bit of dry fish. I'm using dawa. It's a native spice and it's optional. And I'm using salt. I'm using maggot crayfish. I'm using Scott bonnet. I'm using one of these sweet pepper, and I'm using onions. I'm warming my oil. I'm using red oil, the main one. I'm using red oil. You can use any red oil of your choice. Okay, let's start cooking. Off your pot and then add your red oil and let it to melt. I'm not frying it. I'll just use it to, I don't want it to heat too much. Just use it to dry this. This is the long pepper, the crayfish, and the spice pepper. That is the Scotch bonnet. Just fry it for some time, for a while. There are different options of doing okra soup, but this is party style okra soup. Guys, I've just added my meat. Stir it. I'll add my salt and add my dawa. Add my stockfish. Add my dry fish. As I said earlier, okra soup is one of the fastest easy cooking soup. Add the water from the beef and the stockfish and meat. Stir them together. I'll add my crayfish, maggot crayfish. Then add my okra. Okra is vegetable and healthy. I'll add it, turn it. Cook it for some time before adding I'll cover it to cook for some time, then I add my spinach. I'm adding a bit of onion, sliced diced onions in my okra soup. Most times, sometimes I add mushroom, depending on what you want. I'll cook it. I will let it boil for some time before adding my spinach. I add my spinach, the last one. As you can see, it's very healthy. The okra is a very healthy food, a soup you can use with your swallow, your pounded yam, your gari, your oats. Coming up soon, I will do a healthy oats that I will use vegetable and oats. This is perfect healthy okra soup. Can't wait to try this. Yummy soup is ready. This is one of the fastest soup. In less than 15-20 minutes you're done. Once your meat, your fish, everything is ready, it's It's a fast soup that you can just cook and it will still be delicious. Wow, guys, the okra, you can see everything fresh and nice. If you're cooking your okra soup, make sure you don't cook it too done. It's just the spinach and okra should go. Okra should go to 5 minutes to end, then spinach and just take it off. This is one of the healthiest soup, and it's nice and healthy. You can eat with your everything you want to eat. Swallow. Some eat it with yam, even yam, and bringing up children. This is their first soup from months to years, and it's lovely. Let me taste. This is delicious okra soup. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. Let them subscribe to my channel. Let them try what I did today and see how it will come out. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your like and sharing. God bless you. Subscribe for those that have not subscribed. Subscribe now. Let's keep cooking. Keep winning. Stay blessed.